let's go to page 197, and this is 16.4, plotting a line. So to graph a line, first you have to understand about the slope. So let's say if a slope of -5/2. Okay, now this one you can either, if you make the negative on the top, that means you have to go down 5, you have to go over 2. Okay, so that means, let's say if you have a point over here, so you have to go down 5 and you go over 2. Okay, so go down 5, go over 2, and you get the next point and you draw that. Okay, now what if you make the negative go on the top? If you have +5 over -2, they're the same, right? Well, what does that mean? It means you have to go up 5 and you have to go to the left 2. That means you go up 5 and you go over 2. So you end up with the same line. Okay, so you end up with the same line. You're just going to different direction, that's all. Okay, so you end up with exactly the same line. Okay, so again, you can use slope to get the line. The example, let's go over example 16-7. It says plot a line. You got 3x plus 4y equal to 5. Again, you can choose any value, but to plot a line, you can just go and make the table like x and the y, and then x equal to 0. You figure out the y, then 1, 2, and 3, and you can figure out all this value, and you can just plot on the graph. Okay, but this equation is kind of a terrible equation. Okay, so you're going to end up with a messy number. Okay, but you can just go and put a 0 in here, and you solve for y. Y would be 5/4, right, and so forth. And if you let x equal to 1, then you're going to get 3 times 1 plus 4y equal to 5. So -3, so 4y equal to 2. So y equal to 1/2. Okay, so once you get all these points, and then you can graph that. Okay, so 0, 5/4. So it'd be about right over here. 1 would be 1/2. So it'd be about right over here, right? And then 2. Okay, so you can just do calculation. Okay, so 4y equal to -1, y equal to -1/4. So when x equal to 2, you got -1/4, about right over here. And once you plot all the dots, and then you just go and connect the dots, and you get the line. Okay.